So hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Radhika. I am studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering under the branch of Information Science. And I have done my internship on the topic Brief Exposure to Industrial Software Environment and the Career Development. So contents for today's presentation are the introduction, objectives, plan of work, results, conclusion, and lastly the references. So this is the received certificate on completing the internship at Railway Factory. So firstly, the introduction. I have completed my internship at Railway Factory where I worked on ASP.NET Core MVC6 platform. And the purpose of this report is to provide a summary of my experience, including the project I have worked on, the challenges I faced, and the skills I learned during my internship. So this also reports the summarizing of my experience as an intern at a railway factory where I worked on the ASP.NET Core MVC6 platform. During my internship, I had the opportunity to work with a team of experienced professionals and gain hands-on experience in developing user authentication and authorization from using ASP.NET Core MVC6. So this report, I'll provide an overview of my internship position and the objectives of my internship. So the internship position description is, as an intern, my role was to work with the ASP.NET Core MVC6 platform, assisting in the development of user authentication and authorization forms. So this is the brief introduction where I have completed my internship at Railway Factory. So the objectives are, I gained hands-on experience in using ASP.NET Core MVC6 platform, collaborated with the team and other interns to design and implement solutions. It developed strong communication and teamwork skills by presenting my work to colleagues and contributing to team projects. And I also learned best practices in project management, including setting goals, creating timeliness, and tracking progress. I also seek feedback regularly from mentors and colleagues to continuously improve my skills and work quality. And the document of my work and create a portfolio of projects that demonstrated my knowledge and skills in ASP.NET Core MVC6 platform. I also explored further career opportunities in the industry and developed a plan for further education and training. So the plan of work includes one feature that a lot of web applications will need to include is the ability to restrict access to certain resources within the application to authorized users only. To accomplish this, we must be able to authenticate user identities by allowing them to register and log in. Verifying a user's identity is the procedure of authentication. We use this collection of procedure to compare the user's credentials to those stored in the database. The server will be able to decide which resource the user should have access to after successful authentication. As I have already said that verifying the user's identity is the procedure of authentication, we use the collection of procedure to compare the user's credentials to those stored in the database. And also accomplish this, we must be able to authenticate users' identities by allowing them to register and log in. The server will be able to decide which resource the user should have access to after successful authentication. And also the application needs a login page with a set of fields for the users to interact with in order for the user to able the providing credentials. And also using ASP.NET Core and preparing a set of actions to validate input credentials Our primary objective is to develop a registration page and the login page. So I have said before that one of the features that a lot of web application will need to include is the ability to restrict access to certain resources within the application to authorized users only. So the first picture depicts that this is the registration page, which will allow the user to enter the user credentials like username, password, and date of birth, mobile number, and address, which will help the registration process. And the figure 2 depicts the login page, where the user is allowed to give the username and password and get into the user account. So the figure 3 depicts the dashboard. And if in case if a user have forgotten his or her password, they'll even be able to register. They'll even be able to change the password or reset the password. So the figure 4 represents the changing the password screenshot, where the user will be able to secure the data by changing the password often. So this figure 5 snapshot is on database. So the result, I implemented my project using VS Code, which is a popular code editor among web developers due to its user-friendly interface and support for a wide range of programming languages as well as the frameworks. It has a good user-friendly features which provides a good user-friendly environment for the implementation. It has a good intuitive interface which is clean and easy to navigate. The live server extension, which allows the user to see the changes to the web project in the real time and allows to edit the errors and highlights the syntax error as well. So it provides a wide range of extensions that add functionality and support additional programming languages. And I underwent training in developing user registration and login from, in which I acquired knowledge on how to work on ASP.NET Core and the platform. So the main aim was I implemented my project using VS Code, which is a popular video editor, the code editor among the web developers due to its user-friendly interface and supports for a wide range of programming languages and frameworks. So the conclusion is, in conclusion, my internship experience was a valuable opportunity for me to gain practical skills and knowledge in the field of web development. Over the course of my internship, I worked on creating a user authentication and authorization page. Through the project, I was able to apply my knowledge of C, Hash, and SQL along with HTML and CSS. I also gained experience working with tools such as VS Code and MS SQL, where the SQL is nothing but the simple query language or the structured query language. In addition to technical skills, I also developed important soft skills such as communication, collaboration, and time management. I worked closely with my team members and supervisors and received feedback and guidance that helped me improve my work. Overall, my internship was a challenging and rewarding experience that gave me a deeper understanding of the development process and the skills necessary to succeed in this field. So I mainly worked on C Hash and SQL, which is structured query language, along with HTML, that is hypertext markup language, and CSS, that is cascading style sheet. So VS is nothing but the Visual Studio. So these are some of the references on which I have worked for my internship. So Visual Studio website was the Visual SQL was the learnmicrosoft.com. ASP.NET Core MVC was the learn.microsoft.com. And C# learning was from www.w3schools.com. And MS SQL learning was on www.tutorialsteachers.com. Thank you.